and welcome back to my channel. So if this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I do a ton of hair videos, so if that interests you, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna jump right into this video. I've already tried the wet look once, okay? I've already tried it. I actually did it. I succeeded. But I used a lot of freaking gel, and I've seen so many other videos and a lot of people using a lot of gel. In my video, I did see a lot of comments of people saying it's just too crunchy, I can't do that, da 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 da. So I decided to challenge myself. I am challenging myself in this video, and I am not going to use any gels. We're just gonna use creams and serums and foams and whatnot. This is what I'm thinking. So if you guys have been a subscriber of my channel for a while, you guys know I do my buns, my low sleek buns in the shower, okay? And they come out looking so freaking good. I'll post the video right here if you guys haven't seen it. So we're actually going to hop in the shower to do this wet look. I have a theory. I always have a freaking theory, you guys. I always know I have a theory. In this video, I'm going to be using, like I said, only creams. So I'm going to go in with the Texture ID Styling Cream first. So I am going to be using this product. And I have two setting lotions. Well, I have the Lotta Body Style Me Texturizing Setting Lotion. It looks like this. And then I have the Nairobi Rapid Shine Foaming Lotion. It looks like this. Now, you guys should already know I love Nairobi. Nairobi is like an OG for foaming lotions, but I don't know if I really want that foaming to happen. I feel like when it starts doing that foam, it's doing too much. So I may be going in with this Lotta Body. We will see. I will let you guys know kind of on the screen or whatever which one I'm actually using. So I am going to be using one or both. I don't know. I'll let you guys know. We're gonna see. This is trial and error, sis. I also have this curl styling serum from Trey Luxe, and this is Reflex. I don't know. This is my first time using this product. I don't even know what it is, but it says it's anti-frizz. So this is gonna be my product to get rid of a lot of that frizz that may happen. And we're going to top everything off with the Got to Be Glued spray, because you guys know this shit here don't play. It do not places. So I am going to be using that, and before we hop out of the shower, we're going to be throwing on a wig cap just to mold everything down. I'm going to be trying to mold my hair at this point. What I'm going to do, go ahead and take my equipment in the shower, and we're going to get started. I'm kind of excited because I have no idea what's going to happen. Oh, and I almost forgot, sis. You're going to need a brush. Go and get your man brush, your daddy brush, whoever brush. And then something to detangle your hair with to make it nice and smooth. I got hair in it, so that's why I'm like, I ain't cleaned it, sis. I ain't cleaned it. But I do have this. This is my Tangle Teaser. And so I am going to be detangling my hair with this as well. So my hair is already cleansed and deep conditioned. I actually still have the deep conditioner in my hair right now. So when you see me, I will be rinsing out my deep conditioners and then going in with the products. So let's go in the shower, basically. Let's get in the shower. All right, you guys, so we in the shower. My hair is pretty dry, so what I'm going to start off by doing is wetting it. Of course, it's the wet look, so why not wet it, right? Yeah. So I'm just drenching my hair in water because I'm trying to get it as flat and as moisturized as I can so that it weighs my hair down. And now you guys should see me parting the back section like any other wet look video has been. You know, you just kind of do it in sections, but we're not taking gel. We're just going to take some cream. So I'm going in with the Texture ID Styling Cream first, and then I went in with the Nairobi Foaming Lotion, okay? And I just wanted to go ahead and just slather that all over that back section as well. Then I'm going in with the Trey Luxe Reflex Serum. Now this is a serum. It's not a gel. It's not an oil. It's like a serum. It's supposed to be for frizz, like I said earlier. So I'm just adding that. Then I'm just brushing it out. And now I'm going in with my Got to Be Glued spray. Now, y'all, I completely missed my whole head. So that's why I ain't even showing y'all this clip, because I just sat there and missed it. But girl, that, you know, got to be, in my head I was like, okay, the got to be doing something, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, no, it didn't do nothing. Maybe I should have sprayed more. I don't know. Just keep watching the video. So I'm literally just repeating this, trying to get the tangles out so that my hair is nice and smooth, adding cream, trying to weigh down my hair, and then putting it in that bun. So I'm just gonna repeat this, adding the cream, the foaming lotion, and also going in with the serum, and then spraying my hair with the Got to Be brushing it down and pinning it so that I can move on to the next section. So I'm just going to I am just going to keep doing this process over and over and over until all of my hair is sleeked back. Okay, now clearly by the title, y'all know it probably ain't go as expected, right? But if you guys are looking to do like a low puff, a low bun, or I may even add that, like, I feel like this would be a nice wash and go. Look how good my hair looks just off of these products though. Like, let's just get into the fact that I didn't use any type of gel, but my hair looks very, very tame and cute. So I'm thinking I should probably do a wash and go. Now I'm just going to add that stocking cap on just to mold everything down. This was my theory. Lord, me and my theories, girl. I do the most. But then I'm taking the ponytail holder off. And y'all, I'm adding it back because I was just like, this about to get poofy already. So yeah, this is the final thing. I just sat under the dryer for a minute after this. And then you guys are going to see. My hair has dried for like, an hour and a half now. I'm tired of it, friend. I'm tired of it, okay? But we about to see what's pop-a-locking. What's crack-a-lacking. All right, it's not dry, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of this off, and then I'm going to sleep. I'm going to go to sleep and let everything just sit. You know what I'm saying? But let's see how the hair is looking under my stocking caps. Zoop, 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 zoop. Oh, wow. And y'all, I had that blue hair tie on my hair, but that thing started bleeding. So I was like, you can get removed today. So I just put this band on it and banded it down because I want my hair to be longer than it was last time, because I told y'all in the video I was like, I should have banded it. Yeah, shrinkage is real when you got thick hair. This is what it's looking like. Now, I am going to sleek down some edges. I'm going to add a scarf. Okay, so my hair is actually super duper wet. Still super duper wet. So I think I'm going to keep the band on, but I'm going to re-put it on so it's not in the same spot. All the way to the end. I'm going to show you guys. Just did the same thing. Just banded it to the ends again. But this is how my hair is looking, you guys. I mean, I have a line right here. I do. But look how slick my hair is. No gel, babe. No gel. I'm going to use the Style Factor Edge Booster. And I'm just going to go in with my little edges brush and then just make me some edges, girl. Just, you know, do some swipes. Some swipes. I'm not gonna add it to the hair. I want y'all to notice it's completely cream. A clean cream wet look. And y'all, in reality, let's just keep this funky in this video. This is a special occasion. Like I said in my last video, this is a special occasion hairstyle. So this ain't no hairstyle you need to be like, oh, how many days did you get out of that? Sis, why are you wearing this hard hairstyle for like multiple days? So it's like, what are you doing? Take that out. Wash that out. Especially the ones with gel. Like, they are just too crispy for you to be keeping that in your hair for like a long period of time, you know? So I sweep. Yeah, just sweep them edges on back, cause somebody want the wet look. Ooh, so I sweep, hey, yeah. Sorry, y'all, I get in the mood when something come through, and it came through, yeah. Is that me? Yes. I mean, I got more waves than the last time, but what I'm gonna do, I'm going to spray myself one more time with the Got To Be, and we're going to put our scarf on, and we're going to go to bed just like this. We're going to wake up in the morning and see how our wet looks look. Wet look looks. See you then. y'all like, sis, why you got a ponytail? Well, I just recorded the outro for you guys, and after I did everything and I'm uploading everything, I realized that I did not have my microphone on. I'm gonna run that footage so that you guys can see. And I am talking, but you can't hear me. And that's on me. The reveal only happens once, you know what I'm saying? And I kind of ruined that. My hair didn't turn out right. I got a ponytail. I have thick hair. It was an experiment. We did it. It didn't work. I do things so that you don't have to. A lot of you guys were commenting on the comment like, that's just too much gel. But honey, the wet look is just not gonna happen without that gel. It's just not gonna happen. I don't care which way you look at it, it's not gonna happen. Especially with some thick, kinky hair. I mean, it ain't gonna happen. But I just wanted to show you guys kind of like, this is like minutes later and this is a big old puff. I got thick type 4 hair, whatever you want to call it, child. And it's just, it's not the business without gel. So this is why I like gel. Okay? But man, I'm really upset that I just didn't turn my microphone on. Hence why I need a new microphone. So I hope you guys like this video. If you did, give a thumbs up. Sorry about my mix up. And I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.
Oh boy.